Is your laptop going slow day by day PR processing too much? Then this video is for you. Tip 1. Open menu and search startup apps. Turn off all the applications, just keep on necessary. This will help reduce loading or processing problem and boost your laptop efficiency.
You said there ain't no reason, but I'll sit here every day, waiting for the moment I won't feel like I should stay. No way I'd let you slip by. No way I'd let you say bye. Can we watch it fade, fade away? Can we let it fade, fade away? We'll take it day by day. Can we watch it fade, fade away? You said that you've been searching, silencing your mind, trying to be patient, but running out of time. No way I'd let you slip by. No way I'd let you say bye. You said there ain't no meaning, I just wanna